what it's going to help, whom it's going to support. Got it? So if you are innovating something, you have to consider how this product will help the society. Got it? Okay, this drone is the entertainment drone. Entertainment. Just fun watching. Wow, such drone it is. Got it? So it's entertainment.
Means light shows.
Light shows. So it doesn't give anything to the society except happiness, fun. That is entertainment. There are drones beside that capture the area, surveillance, that adds value to the society. So I suggest you to think what you want to provide to the society. There are drones which carry certain product and drop it in certain place because that avoids traffic. You know how much traffic it is these days. So using drones, they are computing the products from one place to another place. So that's the usage.
In DJ also there are the drones.
Then he's great. Got it. Who is great? DJ great. Then what do you do? DJ great. What do you do? You say DJ great. Then what do you do? Entrepreneur never say other person is great. Entrepreneur has to accept that only he is great. You have to come up with your product, not DJ. You know all the components, right? You know how drones are flying, right? Purchase one small components, try connecting it together. Doesn't matter, it will fly or not, doesn't matter, just connect it. And if possible, we will also support you to make that drone fly, okay?
I want some 3D printer, some laser printer.
That you can get it, order it online. You don't order the 3D printer. Send that design what you want to get 3D printed.
JNC PCB.
So using that you can do it, right? So you have to think working on that. Don't keep saying DJ great. Got it? Got it? So what do you want to create now?
I want to create my own, right?
Yeah,
That's right.
that's
I want to create my own drone
But
that's
I-
going to do
Wow.
something favor to the society.
But same it looks like this. Doctor.
It will look way better than that. Okay? Once you start working on it, it looks way better than that. And as I told you, you design it soon.
Drone
People are
lights.
waiting to purchase.
Light show drones. This is our own design.
Got it?
We manufacture it for drone light shows. And we both sell